Some of you might have seen from our previous videos that the Inca Engine's R8 became a little bit poorly just before this weekend when we're heading off to weddings, car shows. So the R8 is currently in an Audi Norwich, which are an R8 specialist centre. Because unfortunately we had the hiccups, they kindly lent us this, the Audi Rs4 Avant Carbon Black. What a piece of kit this is. Let me walk you around, tell you all about it. With the carbon black, it comes with 20-inch gloss black wheels, carbon fibre here, inside, and we get a lovely carbon front splitter. All of this pack comes in at approximately £79,000. Now, that's quite pricey for a family runaround, but wow, could you do the school run quick and in style. So talking about speed, the 2.9 litre V6 twin turbo engine pushes this thing up to 60 in 4.1 seconds. Pair that with Audi's four-wheel drive quattro system and this car will push 155 miles an hour. Or 174 if you pay to have the limiter removed. So when you package all that up, the mighty V6, the Audi quattro four-wheel drive system, the fact that you can get the kids, the grandmother and your shopping in the back, this car packs quite a punch. But you can also get about 29 miles to the gallon, so it's actually not that uneconomical.